See that cup over there?
Look at it. Man, that's a sweet cup.
Trophy thing.
What?
You just have to beat the guy next to you. Is what I understand the rules to be.
Oh, was that for the race that they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that what it was for?
The cup.
I heard about
There's
these
very few rules.
Very few rules.
When you get called out, how long do you have before?
Something in the realm of 3 months.
2 weeks. 14 days.
Call him out right now.
What do you think I'm here?
There you go. See, smart man.
You got to show up in the car.
Oh,
Drive it.
We're,
Maybe I'll call him out tomorrow.
yeah, wait, because I'm putting the hoses back on.
I'll give you some time tomorrow.
I thought it'd be further apart by now.
He waited to come over.
So I'm waiting.
You thought you had.
And I know one to play by the rules. That once this thing comes apart, and that's the problem with these street cars.
Every car does that.
That does that is you got to take them apart all the time. Street cars are always ready to run because they're street cars because you drive them.
Until it stops raining.
Don't don't be siding with him, okay?
I keep hearing.
Where's that bullet hat? Where's the bullet hat? Okay.
I got it dirty at the shop. So I guess during off season for some cars, a couple be at my house.
So that's the.
My dad, my daughter, Hayden, Solomon.
So you have.
We're here. We're taking the car apart. Maybe. I'm not gonna say if we are or not because he's standing right there.
Your drains and stuff need to come out from your turbos.
This is supposed to be like an enjoyable thing for me. Like, hey guys, come over for my birthday. We're gonna take the engine out. Super nice day. Come to find out the whole time my dad's just setting me up. So look at him.
Happy birthday!
Just sit there waiting for me to take this thing completely apart so he can call me out and get the cup. I mean, I don't know what to do. I mean, part of me just wants to leave it alone, but I know I have to take it apart.
We're not that far in.
The ball head makes it a little easier. I can see where you got that.
Did you guys lost?
And Jared and Vanessa came as well. That's Lamar hanging out, just watching us take the motor out. But I don't even know if we're gonna take this thing all the way out today. I just kind of. What do you think? We just pull it. Fuck it. We're gonna have to get underneath there. Gotta get underneath there, take the torque converter bolts out, take the starter out, take the alternator off.
Good thing we got Solomon in here.
Good thing we got Solomon in here. Vanessa, start taking the torque converter bolts. Where'd it go? Hey Solomon, can you tell me why your plate's right here and not on the board?
Are those people even from Texas?
Huh? They don't have to be from Texas. It's nationwide, bro.
Texas.
Do you want me to make you like an 11 spot? Can I make it like an 11 spot or something? Or...
Can we run? Can we run? Can we run tomorrow?
Oh, you too, huh?
After you run, can I run afterwards?
Okay. Get on that train. Go ahead and step on your side of the line right now, Solomon. Okay, I see how it is.
Take a side.
Guys, the motor's not out yet. I'm not sure.
Stop working on it.
Huh?
You told me to stop working on it.
Oh, I mean, I was expecting to be done by now.
An hour in.
I got somewhere else.
Done, guys.
This guy's just looking for tools all day.
That's not true. I don't like that y'all mess.
Oh, hold on, Juan. Let's show people your tool collection. We can show them that if you want.
Wow, is this motor plate? Can you help?
I don't really appreciate the digs at my tool game, but that's fine.
Look at it.
There's
got
tools.
wrenches, sockets, Allen's, spark plug tool, and one drawer.
Here, let's go.
So
There's actually light.
Juan would be like, hey guys, give me a 13. Somewhere around here.
top left drawer.
I don't think anybody's made more like 6 passes on it without it.
Well,
Have fun.
Yeah, on 3
it is what it is.
6 millimeter, like a copy of the
He's gone.
Oh, the
He came, he did the call out, so I got 2 weeks. Obviously, we're not gonna make those 2 weeks. Anyways, like I was saying. God, it sounds so good. Yep, my neighbor's gonna come out and be like, what the hell? Anyways, it happened. So it is what it is. I'm not too concerned about it because what the fun part about it is that I'm going to be able to come back and get the cup. So at least, if anything, it'll be fun to come back beginning of January and actually race that car, because we've been talking about racing for a very, very long time. The car's together. Obviously mine's not, but it's gonna get back together real soon. So hang on to that cup for me for a little bit, Dad, because I'm coming for it. I put Hayden on a torque converter bolt duty.
Yeah, do you not have an impact for your deal here? Or?
Kids are sleeping. We can't fire up the compressor. Hayden just needs to work out a little more.
Yeah, let's go, man.
Hey, when you're 21, 22, you get that job.
December's almost over. That's all I'm waiting for. Once December's over and we can get this Christmas crap out of the way. My wife's over there. Then we can really focus on getting this thing, because come January, it's gonna be hump time. We got to get this thing ready. Cletus and Cars is the first event. It's the middle of February, and we're not gonna have any time. I still gotta buy parts.
We still gotta order new turbos.
Yeah, still gotta order new 102 millimeter
Turskis.
Pro Turb.
Oh yeah, one
Pro
time. Grab that. Uno turbo.
One motor.
LS. One motor.
This is not going on, and I don't know why you're doing this. It's not going. It's not gonna make the cut.
Is this an LS one?
LS one.
X. We got it out. We found the chain. We got it out. Come to find out, we broke another lifter. Must have happened during that 8.3 pass. We pushed it about 28 pounds at Cletus and Cars. Because after that, it started breaking up. And I think it's because we were back on 7 cylinders, because the lifter's completely broken again. Broke the lifter cup. Push rod's gone. The rocker is once again loose. So yeah, hopefully it wouldn't harm it too much. But I think it's the same thing as last time. Just basically broke the cup. Lifter right there. So yeah, that sucks. I'm glad I didn't drive it anymore. But that's it for now. We got a lot of work to do. We're gonna get to it.